Hello everyone, my name is Nick. I'm from R&D Zycon here, and I'm really excited of showing you some bits and pieces of our Sirius technology, a new technology leap inside of the graphic art market. We have integrated this Sirius technology inside of our new platform presses, which are still based on the well-known single-pass duplex Zycon printing technology, but this Sirius technology is pushing this platform up into speeds of 30 meters a minute, making them the fastest toner presses on the market. We have a lot of cornerstones inside of this new technology. We're going to show a couple of them. First of all, we have integrated a new imaging system, which is still using the LED print heads, printing up to 1200 dpi, 3600 dpi, ensuring a high quality at 30 meters a minute and printing at offset-like qualities. We also integrated our new developer system to contain the consistency along and across the web in color, and also to implement this on a 30 meters a minute quality control system. We've packed our presses with standard 8 of these imaging stations, and they're upgradable up into 10 of these imaging stations. We also developed a new toner for this platform. This new Sirius toner is able to print at 30 meters a minute, ensures us as well to have a fully recyclable print, to print at VOC emission-free method, and also without any water. Our next technology leap we achieved with our EcoFuse system. This EcoFuse system consists of foil heaters. They are really rapid in ramping up, so we are enabling them for having a waste reduction inside of our print technology. They're really powerful as well, so we are enabling the fast speeds of 30 meters a minute with these ones. We also did a vast amount of simulations, testings and redesigns to ensure the temperature control or spread within our fuser box is very even throughout the print run, enabling a quality consistency throughout the complete print run. Another part of this EcoFuse system is our water-cooled cooling roller. This water-cooled cooling roller is a really large one of diameter 250 millimeter and is packed with a Zycon patented technology of cross-flow system, ensuring the outside temperature of the cooling roller is always in a ±1 degree. At the front of the press we integrated a print medium conditioning box, which is completely new, enabling us to print at high speeds of 30 meters a minute, also enabling a fast ramp-up time, so reducing our waste. And it's also a big enabler for printing on cheaper stock material. At the back side of the press, we are really proud to mention that we integrated a quality measurement and management system. This quality management system consists of two things: a spectrophotometer that automatically controls the color consistency throughout your job without any operator action. And we implemented as well a new feature, which is the registration camera. This registration camera works also automatically, so without any interference of a operator, and searches a very small printed registration mark in order to control the registration. These two things combined make this thing really a cruise control printing press. The Sirius technology is also packed with a unique man-machine interface. The machine communicates with the operator throughout status lights, visible throughout the press room. It also is packed with a machine-to-machine interface in transferring a lot of information from the press to in and offline pre- or post devices. We also integrated a new workflow inside of the Sirius printing presses. They're easily integrated in existing ERP and MIS systems at the customer. The machine is also cloud connected, meaning that all of its data regarding uptime, regarding quality and whatsoever is transferred to the cloud and is later on available for business development decisions based on true data and not based on gut feelings. So you can see we are from the R&D are really excited about this one, so I can go on and on and on about these all new features, but I think it's best that you can come at Zycon to see this new technology for yourself and see what the technology can do for you.